I'm cooking up a warming bowl of hot and sour chicken soup. This healthy and flavorful recipe is perfect for chilly winter days. This is simple two-step process. The first step ingredients are 1 piece onion, 1 carrot, ginger, 100 grams chicken, half a spoon salt, 1 spoon pepper powder. Boil all these ingredients in 2 glasses of water for 15 minutes at medium heat. Keep this chicken stew separately. Half a spoon salt, 1 spoon pepper powder. Boil all these ingredients in 2 glasses of water for 15 minutes at medium heat. Keep this chicken stew separately. Great, now the step 2 ingredients are carrot, cabbage, green beans, spring onion, 2 paste garlic, 1 spoon corn flour. Stir and fry all these ingredients with a piece of butter. Mix corn flour with water and keep it separately. Light soy sauce. 1 spoon vinegar. Half a spoon sugar. Sugar is to balance the taste. Add the corn flour water to make the soup bit thick. Now add the chicken strips and chicken stew. Now adding half a spoon sugar. Half a spoon pepper powder. Bit of salt. Boil it for 5 minutes. Add spring and onion green in the end to garnish it. And there you have it. My hot and sour chicken soup is ready to warm your soul. The flavors are simply divine.